here somewhere where he freaking dropped. Well, yeah, right here. You can see the scuff mark right there. Yeah. And then he dropped. I just heard some brush down in here as we were just walking, so he must still be in this area.
Just done. Okay, we're off. Police! You're going to be searched by a police dog. When he finds you, he may bite you. You need to make yourself known. It's the sheriff's department. Area's going to be searched by a police dog. When he finds you, he may bite you. You need to make yourself known. All right. Hold on, bud. Brixie, hold on. Hold on. Wait. Just done. Where you go? Brixie, come here. Brixie, come here. Come on. Come on. Attaboy! I'm gonna see your hands. Get your hands out. Get your hands out. Brixie, hold on. Hold on.